What is goody, my people? We are back again with another drip. Listen, now, a lot of things have changed. I've been gone for a while, you know what I'm saying, a couple of weeks. And that's due to, it's a really big change that has happened. Like a really big change, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys can guess what it is. I don't know, like if you guys know what it is about, like something has really changed a lot the past few weeks and stuff like that. It's something has really changed a lot, and that the thing that has changed is your boy is almost at 4,000 drip deposit in my account. You know what I'm saying? I'm just playing. Well, that's not cap. I actually am almost at 4,000 drip deposit, but I'm married now. If you can't tell by the nice ring, you know what I'm saying? If you've been keeping up with my Instagram, like my real life stuff, my Instagram at Joovier_, go follow me. My Twitter, really, at Joovier_, go follow me. Or just like keeping up with me overall. You know, I've been engaged, and I had my wedding on March the 11th. And with that being said, I have not had time to upload that many videos that week of me getting married. So the whole week of the 11th, I really didn't have time to make videos. And then after that, I was on my honeymoon, and I just got back from my honeymoon a few days ago, but we were still kind of chilling on our honeymoon at the crib. You know what I'm saying? We're just vibing out, enjoying each other, enjoying life. And today is my first day back. The chef is coming back. Coming back. But now I'm a married man, so you know everything I touch now is finna turn to straight gold. Just because I got this on my finger now. You know what I'm saying? Married life is great. I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to a lot. I appreciate all the people that have congratulated me. All the people that have said I made the worst decision of my life. Just because your wife sucks doesn't mean mine does. My wife is beautiful and amazing, and I love her to death. Thank you very much. But with all jokes aside and all whatever aside, you came for a specific video, and that video is about drip. So if you've been keeping up with drip for the past couple days, past couple weeks, past couple months, honestly, it's been on a, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit of a, you know what I'm saying, it's not really at the that we want. It's more of like a you know what I'm saying. But in this video, I'm going to give you guys kind of update on my portfolio with drip, also update on my thoughts on it moving forward. Obviously, when I was on my honeymoon, I was not looking at any crypto. There were so many coins that I missed out on, but I'm not mad because there's so many coins that come out every freaking day that you can 100 extra money on. But yeah, we're really just gonna hop right into this video. So if you're excited for the video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification bell because we're dropping straight gems. You know what I'm saying? Straight gems. And you know this already. That's why you're watching this video, because you trust me and I trust you too. To hit the subscribe button and post notification bell. But without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into it, y'all know my Patreon, you know what I'm saying? I did give people a refund if they wanted a refund for the past month, even though I was only gone for like 15 days. But since I wasn't posting on my Patreon, I gave people the option to get a refund. A couple people hit me up, they wanted a refund. But most of the other people was like, nah, keep it, take it as a wedding gift or whatever. But I'm back on the Patreon. I just posted a coin today that I'm expected to hit some nice X's. While I was away, we had a nice 5X on the coin. We got some other coins that's pumping as well. So we're just living life in the Patreon. So if you want to hop into Patreon, you want to know what coin I buy, what coin I sell, when I'm taking profits, when I'm researching coins, just hit my Patreon up. It's right there, patreon.com/JoovierGems. I'm dropping straight bangers. And also, sneak peek, I am dropping a class very shortly, and I'm kind of going to put myself out of business because in this class, it's going to be very beginner friendly. I'm going to take you from 0 to $1 million. I'm going to go beginner to advanced. I'm going to show y'all how to get started in crypto, how to get the money for crypto. Also, how to find the coins before everybody else finds them. The low cap coins that I'll be posting that literally just launched and end up doing 100X in like 2 hours. I'm going to tell y'all how to find them in that course. So just keep your eyes out for that. But yeah, now let's really hop into this video. All right, so boom, Drip Network. Drip Network. It feels so good to be back in front of the camera talking to y'all, man. I missed y'all. I hope y'all miss me too, man. If y'all miss me, let me know in the comments down below. But here on Drip, so the price of Drip has been kind of tanking. If we go to Dex Tools really quickly, .io, and we just go to Dex Tools, we can even go to CoinMarketCap, and if we just type in Drip right here, the price is at $35. Now this is the lowest I've ever seen the price of Drip. Now, later on in this video, I'm kind of gonna give you guys my mindset on it. Well, kind of like right now, I'll start giving my mindset on it. I'm not really that scared or worried, and I'll tell you guys exactly why. Now, if it goes a whole bunch lower, then I might be a little, you know what I'm saying? But right now, I'm kind of playing it by ear, not stressing over it, kind of just vibing. But the price of Drip is at $35 each. If you guys know, the first time I got in Drip, The price was around $50, $53, somewhere around there. And we had an all-time high of almost $173, I want to say. I believe that's what it was, 169, but on Dex Tools, I think it shows a little bit different. Why is this? I don't even know why it's coming out like this. Let me change it really quickly. This is what I wanted. But it did reach an all-time high of, I think, like $171 per drip, which is absolutely beautiful. And I do think it can obviously reach those levels again. But as of right now, it is on a decline. But a couple things I want you guys to know. I'm still very hopeful in drip, just because the community behind it is absolutely amazing. Plus, you have to understand it is a very deflationary token. That means new tokens are not being printed. New tokens are never printed. If you come down here to drip and you press the swap button and come down, the supply is 86,000 as of right now. But this number goes up and down all the time. But the reason it goes up or down is not due to them printing more drip tokens. Is more so when people are selling it back to the contract and that type of stuff. So it's the same amount of drip always just being circulating, and each time the supply goes down, the price goes up. When the supply goes up, the price goes down, just like with everything in the market. But what I wanted to show you guys over here on drip, so if we go to the hour chart, it's a lot of red. Like I said, it's the, you know what I'm saying? We want more of like a, you know what I'm saying? But we're getting like a, it's not fun at all. But if we come to the daily, it's still on the little, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the all-time high is up here at $175, 176, I think it touched it. And now we're crashing all the way back down to what it looks like is the bottom. The drip started around $4 or $3.50 per token, somewhere around there. I'm not sure. I wasn't in drip when it first started, but as per the chart, I don't know if y'all can hear my cat screaming right now. Simba obviously missed the camera too. Y'all hearing? This is crazy. But right now we're sitting at the price of drip when it like had first released back in July 2021. And if you don't know any technical analysis when it comes to cryptocurrencies, usually the last high is when it starts to retrace, or it'll usually, let's say if it goes, let me give you a perfect example. Actually, there's a perfect example right here. So if we see here, we have a low right here, then we have a high right here, then a low, then a high, then a low right here. Then we have a high up here, a low, high, low, all of that. We have lower highs and higher lows. So if we look right here in this downtrend, you see it passed this low right here. And once it passed that, it went past it, then it came back up and retested this area. If we look and have a line and just draw a straight line over here, it literally came right here, tapped this area and went all the way back down. And now we see we're at a different area. We're at an area that it touched over here last year, like I was explaining to you guys. So when I told you guys in the beginning of the video, I'm kind of just keeping my eye on it to see what the heck happens. If it goes too much below this number, then I might start to sweat in my sleep. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. But at the same time, there's really nothing you can do about it except just hodl and keep compounding. But I'll get into my strategy for what I'm doing right now later on. But this is kind of the area that I'm looking at right now. I don't mean to be all technical analysis-y on you guys, but I'm just showing you guys like what's going on in my thought process. So this is the line that it has touched multiple times over here, multiple days over here, and we're right at that line right now. So if the chart continues to keep going down and say goes all the way down to this area, then maybe I'll start sweating a little when it gets to like $25, somewhere around there. But if it starts to reject this area and kind of bounce off it and we start changing the trend, and it starts going up higher, then obviously we'll all be happy. But that's just kind of my breakdown of the price strategy or the price action of drip as of right now. Hopefully it does flip within the next couple of days, but I'm giving you guys just my honest opinion on it as of right now. But on to my strategy on what I'm doing to kind of stop myself from not being able to sleep at night with my drip. So let me kind of give you guys an update of what my drip is sitting at as of right now. I have almost 4,000 deposits, like I told you guys in the beginning of the video when I was joking around, which comes out to like $136,000, and I'm earning 1% of that, so like $1,300 per day. And literally all I have been doing is hitting this hydrate button and airdropping to people on my team. There's no criteria for you to get any money, to get any airdrops on my team. It's literally just random. I'll come down here to team airdrop, I'll use my address, and I'll divide it across 20 random people on my team. And I literally was doing that like all through my honeymoon. So I think during my honeymoon, I gave away like $10,000 or $15,000 or something like that. Every single other time I was just hydrating it. I have not like claimed and sold or anything like that during my honeymoon. I've just been hydrating it to kind of fight off the price of my whole deposits going down because of the price of drip going down. So that's been my strategy. I'm kind of just like not paying attention, not really not paying attention to it, but not trying to stress over it, because like honestly, you stressing over cryptocurrency or any price action of a coin will do absolutely nothing except for stress you out and make you sad and depressed. And I would rather not be sad and depressed while I'm in the Maldives swimming with the freaking sharks and enjoying my honeymoon. So I decided to just come on here once a day and just press hydrate or press claim and airdrop. That was really it. And that is my strategy moving forward as well. Like I said, that is all based off of this kind of chart right here. We'll see what happens when the price goes down to $9 and $8 and $10. If it does, please don't let it. But I kind of just wanted to let you guys inside of my head right now when it comes to drip. I do have some other protocols I do want to show you guys. I missed out on the launches of them because I was away, but I've been watching them and they look pretty solid. So I'm going to be showing you guys those projects as well. But as far as drip, it's still pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? If you're hydrating, you're still going to be hedging yourself against the price of the drip falling down. Obviously, we don't want the price of drip to go down, but really our only option here is to start hydrating and build back up our deposits so our daily payout gets higher and higher and higher, and we kind of build from there. But that's really all I wanted to say about drip. That's kind of just a sneak peek into my thoughts with drip. Let me know what you guys are doing in the comments down below. Are you panic selling? Do you think it's all done? Do you think drip is gonna die? Do you think I should just sell all my freaking drip and move on with the rest of my life? Or just let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. And I'm very excited to show you guys the protocols that I've been researching the past couple of days that I've actually been back. They look pretty promising. They look like they're gonna be printing some solid money. There's also some cool things happening with Strong. Strong Chain is coming out as well. I'll give you guys an update on that as well. So if you're excited for all that, just subscribe, man. And hit the notification bell, because you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these gems. Because listen, I'm back and everything turns to gold now that I have this on my finger. You know what I'm saying? But that's really about it, man. Good luck on all your trades. Good luck on all your crypto. Good luck on all your drip, real life, and this drip network stuff too. You know what I'm saying? Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'll see you on the next video.